1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we...
XIAN LIM, pinasok na dito sa laro. Alam mo, si XIAN LIM, galing pa to sa event dito sa Davao City. And going straight from the event to the game. Let's see, I mean, obviously, down by 18, last 2 minutes of the third. Still manageable. Maybe something that he can give a spark. Oh, who knows? At yung mga kaibigan natin na kumakain pa ng hapunan ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po. Kung gusto nyo medyo dagdagan ng hangyan, follow nyo sila Ate Barbie at Allen Francisco sa City Dragon sa Instagram, pati na rin sa pinasok nila. Ako na po sa si Mac Andaya. Pati Kawilan, great catch and finish. Para kay JP Kawilan. Yan. With an 18-point, hindi pang papel yung shorts. Baka may nakasiksik pang isa, ha? XIAN LIM. Atake, kinaliwa. Magmimintes. Box Raimundo para sa rebound. Davao Occidental Tigers. More than 20 in all 3 quarters. While itong kabilang kupunan naman, less than 20. XIAN LIM makakakuha ng 2 free throws dito. Ang lalim ng hinga ni XIAN LIM. Talagang laro lang, pagpag lang. Ano ito, si JP Manahan, kaibigan natin, one of the hardest working guys in the business. Nanonood sa atin ngayon. Magandang gabi sa iyo, JP. Always the tireless worker. XIAN LIM on the foul line. Pintis yung kanyang unang free throw. Iyawan yung mga tao. Dumating pala.
Mga next month na.
And he makes 1 free throw. Nababa sa 22 ang lamang ng Davao Occidental. Jake Cabanyog. James Regalado. Kasama si Terzo, Medalya at Lamotsa. Yan ang 5 para dito sa Davao Occidental Tigers. Para naman sa Mandaluyong. As we see James Regalado. Pupungto na sa loob para sa Davao Occidental. Still all business even though up by 24 to start the 4th. Walang problema yan. Basta tatrabaho at tatrabaho. Ganyan kalalim yung rotation ni Coach Don Dulay. Sila nga yung nanalo nung ating preseason tournament sa Mulong-Mulong. And it's not because they're the most talented ones. Because if you look at Terzo, Medalya, rotation player, these are just players that know their roles sa team. At alam nila, time of the day, I would take him whether as a starting or a backup point guard. Hindi talaga bumababa rin yung intensity nito ni Louie Medalya. And of course, ganda nga ng uniform ng dalawang teams na ng Kids ng Mandaluyong at ng Davao. At of course, McDavid inbound. Going for someone to pause to XIAN LIM. Bumuhol ng 3, Mintes. Nakuha ng Davao Occidental ang bola. Paler on the jumper. Mintes. At XIAN LIM para sa rebound. And a final viewing to play hard. Oh, XIAN LIM getting a basket. And the foul. Showing the flex for the fans. Something to cheer about. I mean, bakit hindi? Naging masyadong mahaba yung gabi para sa Mandaluyong and might as well take something good before the night ends. Diba? Sayang, hindi lang yun. And another foul here on the penetration with a 23-point win, 86-63. First, Davao Occidental getting a big win here.